Hey everyone, and welcome back to Autoverse. You know, every once in a while, a vehicle comes through our doors that just stops you in your tracks. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a rolling piece of art. And folks, what we have here today is exactly that. You might remember the first one we featured, and the response was absolutely insane. Well, get ready for round two, because this is the CABT 650 6-door Excursion. Take two. And yes, before you even ask, this absolute titan is already sold. A massive congratulations to the new owner. But we just couldn't let it leave without giving all of you a proper, in-depth tour. This isn't just an SUV. It's an event on wheels, and we go in to dive into every single detail that makes it one of the most incredible custom builds on the planet. Let's start with the sheer presence of this thing. When you see it coming down the road, you don't just notice it. You experience it. The foundation is a Ford F-250, but it's been transformed by the masterminds at CABT, or CABT, into something else entirely. They stretch the frame, add that crucial third row of doors, and seamlessly blend it with the iconic rear section of a Ford Excursion. The result is this magnificent, 6-door land yacht. The craftsmanship is just impeccable. Look at the body lines. Stretching a vehicle this much and making it look like it came from the factory is an art form. The paintwork is flawless, glistening under the lights. It's a deep, rich color that gives it a look of both ruggedness and pure luxury. And you can see they've upgraded everything to match its new, imposing stature. Just look at the front end. We've got the modern F-250 Super Duty grille, headlights, and that aggressive bumper. It's a face that means business. And moving along the side, you see those 6 doors. It's not just about adding length. It's about creating a whole new level of accessibility and presence. Each door opens with a solid, satisfying feel. This isn't some flimsy modification. This is heavy-duty engineering. Now, let's talk about what gets this beast moving. Under the hood, you'll find the heart of the F-250, a power-stroke diesel engine. We're talking about a powerhouse that delivers immense torque, which is exactly what you need to move a vehicle of this size and weight with authority. Whether you're cruising on the highway or towing a massive trailer, this engine won't even break a sweat. It provides that signature diesel rumble that perfectly complements the truck's muscular look. And to handle all that power and the sheer scale of this build, the suspension and chassis have been completely beefed up. You've got a significant lift, giving it that commanding ride height. It's sitting on massive heavy-duty wheels and all-terrain tires that look like they could conquer any landscape. This isn't just for show. This Excursion is built to be used, to go anywhere, and to take everyone with it. The ride quality is surprisingly smooth, soaking up bumps in the road thanks to the high-end shocks and suspension components. It's the perfect blend of a rugged truck and a luxury limousine. But the real magic, the reason you build a 6-door Excursion, is on the inside. So let's open these doors and step into a world of custom luxury. Wow. Just take a moment to soak this in. The interior has been completely redone with custom leather upholstery. Every seat, from the front row to the very back, is wrapped in this beautiful, high-quality material. With intricate stitching, it feels and smells incredible. This is bespoke luxury at its finest. The layout is what makes it so special. You have 3 full rows of seating. This isn't a cramped third-row situation you find in a standard SUV. This is legitimate, first-class seating for every single passenger. Look at the legroom in the 2nd row. It's cavernous. And the 3rd row is just as spacious. You could comfortably fit a whole team of adults in here for a long-distance road trip without a single complaint. And check out the captain's chairs. The owner opted for a configuration that provides ultimate comfort for the passengers. Each seat is like a personal throne. They're heated, they're cooled, and they are incredibly supportive. The attention to detail extends everywhere. The custom-stitched headrests, the matching door panels, the plush carpeting, it all comes together to create an environment that feels more like a private jet than an SUV. The technology is also top tier. Up front, you have the modern Ford infotainment system with a large touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. It's intuitive and keeps you connected, but the real party is in the back. You have entertainment screens for the rear passengers, multiple USB ports, and a premium sound system that fills this huge cabin with crystal clear audio. This is the ultimate vehicle for family road trips, corporate travel, or a VIP convoy. Imagine the possibilities. You could take your entire extended family on vacation in one vehicle. You could use it as the ultimate tailgating machine. Or, if you're a celebrity or executive, it's the perfect discreet, high-capacity transport. It offers more space and is way more unique than a standard Sprinter van or a luxury SUV. It truly is in a class of its own. Every switch, every button, and every surface has been considered. The headliner is done in a beautiful Alcantara-style fabric. The ambient lighting can be customized to set the mood. It's these small touches that elevate a great build into a legendary one. CABT doesn't just stretch a truck. They reimagine what a luxury people mover can be. And even with all this passenger space, you still have a massive cargo area in the back. Behind that third row, there's ample room for luggage, sports equipment, or whatever else you need to haul. The utility of the original Excursion design is not only preserved, it's enhanced by the vehicle's sheer scale. Putting a vehicle like this into words is tough, and honestly, the camera barely does it justice. It's a vehicle you have to see to believe. The engineering, the luxury, the sheer audacity of it. It's a masterpiece. It takes the best parts of a Super Duty truck, its power, its toughness, its capability, and combines them with the space and luxury of a high-end limousine. And that's why these builds are so sought after. They are the definition of having your cake and eating it too. You get uncompromising capability and uncompromising luxury, all in one jaw-dropping package. It's a head-turner, a conversation starter, and an incredibly practical vehicle all at once. So, while this particular CABT 650 six-door Excursion is spoken for, it stands as a testament to what's possible in the world of custom vehicles. A huge thank you to the team at CABT for creating such an incredible machine. And of course, a massive congratulations again to the new owner. You have one of the most unique and capable vehicles on the road today, and we are supremely jealous. What do you guys think of this beast? Let me know down in the comments. Is this the ultimate SUV? What would you do with a six-door Excursion? I love reading your thoughts and ideas. Thanks so much for joining us on this tour. It's always a pleasure to share these one-of-a-kind builds with you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next amazing vehicle we feature here on Autoverse. Until next time, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.